Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add frequently bought together app on Shopify. So let's get in. What we want to do is open up a new tab and we're going to go ahead and dial in apps.shopify.com and hit enter, and this will take us directly to the Shopify App Store, and here we are going to type in frequently bought together. We're going to hit enter and we will have quite a few options. Now there are many apps. What we're looking for is a sort of verified app that has been built specifically for Shopify and has good reviews. So you can see over here this top one, frequently bought together, has pretty much good ratings, 2,373 and 4.9 star rating. So we're going to go ahead and use this one here. And on the left, we're going to tap on install. And to the right, we are going to now just tap on install and give permission to have this app integrated with our Shopify store. You will now land up on this page. This is the frequently bought together homepage. And here we're going to just go ahead and tap on next at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And here we have the number of recommendations. Okay, so this is the first option that we're going to choose. I'm going to just choose one recommendation. I don't want to bombard my customers. And here we're going to just go ahead and tap on next. Now again, these settings you can change thereafter if you don't like your initial settings. Here we're going to choose where it's going to be. So you can see from below the add to cart to below the description, below the product, and then also below the page. So we can now choose which one we prefer. I do like this one, and we're going to tap on next. And here it says you need to enable the app. All right, so we're going to just tap on enable on theme editor and then open theme editor. Okay, so right at the bottom it says frequently bought is activated, and on the left hand side you can see that it has been toggled on, and that's great. We're going to go over and tap on save on the top right hand side. So if we go back now, you will see that this is the page that we are met with. So what we can do is go over to the left hand side where it says frequently bought, and we can go down to manual bundles. Here we are able to completely select everything that we want specifically to each product. So here we're going to say select a product to check its bundle, and let us use this banana riding a bicycle painting, and we're going to select that. And here we're going to scroll down a bit, and it says select products to add to this bundle. And here we're going to add this t-shirt because of course when you're buying a painting of a banana riding a bicycle, you would like to also buy a t-shirt. It says product has been added correctly, and we can now go ahead and check this. So over here, if you have more than one, you can just click down and move them around, and then to double check that it's actually taken effect, we can go and have a look at our online store. Click on the little eyeball icon and it'll open our store. Let's scroll down to this product, and we're going to just double check that it's actually worked. Now as you can see here, it says frequently bought together, and it's got the two items, and here it's got the check marks for each item. So your customer can now tap on add selected to cart, and these two items are now automatically selected. Now just remember again, any settings you need to go ahead and change, you can just go over to the left hand side under apps. You'll see frequently bought, and all of the apps settings are right over here. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you next time. Peace.